just came down to pick up some of my stuff. Basically, the DVDs that are in the holders, I'm not getting the cases right now, but we're grabbing the DVDs. I just wanted to show you the aftermath. We're closed now, and we'll show you the aftermath of what it looks like after we sold some stuff. As you can tell, we still have a boatload of movies. I think we ended up doing $500 and some a couple days ago, our last day. Did like $576. That put us for like $3 grand for the month. So it was our best month for a long time. But look at that, we sold a lot, but we still have a lot of movies. It's gonna take me forever to get this stuff out of here. And I gotta put everything back in its original cases to see, you know, what's been stolen and what I can find or whatnot, you know. I said these newer movies are still here. Look at that, I can't even sell my movie. It was $2.50. I think I sold 2 of them the other day, but so there's 2 more copies sold. I'm surprised these kids' movies weren't selling a little bit better. I mean, granted, I'm down to some of the crappier titles. But heck, there's a Christmas Story. How did that not sell? It's what, October? I guess it would have sold next month. There's comedies. And we made some sections for the drama. We took that rack out of here the other day. And we didn't sell hardly any Westerns. Of course, like I said, we stacked them all up. This is like some action. Yeah, it still had Star Wars at 75% off. So like I said, I have to figure out something to do with all this stuff. Still have a ton of books. Couldn't even sell video games at 75% off. I mean, most of it's junk. Still have tons of Blu-rays. Well, like I said, look at that, The Rookie. That's a great movie. How did that not sell? Still got our vending machine. We sold one of our vending machines. If we get down through here, see a lot of the vendors are packing up. What's going on, Jesse? As you look down through there, you see a lot of it's empty.
I said make sure you don't get hurt.
Music is always the loudest back here. And again, I got some of these shelves there.
So I thought maybe I should just have fun back here too.
How you guys doing?
Good.
That road looks pretty empty. See, a lot of the vendors were having like 80% off sales and stuff. I guess dude had 80% off. Tire guy's gone now. People couldn't wait to get out of here. Another empty booth. More empty booths. I haven't seen it this empty in 10 years. Like I said, I've been here full time for 10 years. I was the first one to get a booth in here. But like I said, it's worked out well for me. It's provided for me and my kids, and my wife. We were able to pay all our household bills with the money we made here. I just wanted to show you guys, man. This is only like a day after we closed. I think we closed Friday and this is Saturday, I think maybe, or Thursday and this is Saturday. I can't remember. I told that the wall was down already. I almost took this booth 10 years ago and I was going to make an arcade out of it, and I just never did. I kind of wish I would have done it, but I'm kind of glad I didn't now that we're not around, because I wouldn't want to move all those video games. More empty booths. These guys got out of here pretty quick. This was my buddy's booth. Like I said, he did really well. He had a sale really quick, and he probably didn't have to move much. He sold most of it, I think. That was my thing. I wanted to try to sell as much as possible so I wouldn't have to carry it home or figure out a place for it. This is what we call our lost and found. This is like when I bring stuff up to the counter and don't want it or gets put in the wrong booth. It's a madhouse. I don't see any of my stuff here. But usually the vendors have to come over here and figure out, you know, what's theirs and what's not theirs.
Well, I hope things.
That's not mine.
I'm sure they will.
I don't think that's mine. I had some of those, but I don't think that's mine. More empty booths. You guys remember the last video from a couple days ago, man, this place was still packed. Some of these people got out of here really quick. HBA ladies out pretty quick. This guy had everything for a quarter. Hey, that cash register finally sold. There's a VCR for a quarter. It's crazy. It's just sad seeing everybody's dreams kind of coming to an end now, you know? Because this is where a lot of us made our extra money. Like I said, I provided for my whole family with this income. I said we paid all of our mortgage, our utilities, and all our food from this check every month. So this is going to take a big bite out of my income. Here's what 10,000 movies looks like. Maybe 12,000.